hell?
How long was this thing neglected for? Like a month?
David?
Yes.
Might
as well spray the whole car too.
Yeah, you might as well.
They're just gonna
Damn. Alright guys, David. Yeah bro, it's no joke, bro. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we got another video on the Civic. So it's pretty fun. Starting off with some strong gas industrial cleaner right there. Shit is no joke. You guys can see since last time it's been some spider webs making themselves at home and shit. Oh, bruh. That's thick. That's some thick web.
What is?
Alright guys, so if you hear like a lot of you know, stuff going on in the background, it's because these guys obviously don't care if we're recording or not. Well, what are they doing?
They're just fucking on my neighborhood even more.
Yeah, they're cutting trees and stuff, so yeah, so if you guys hear all that going on in the background, you know why. So bear with us. Hopefully they finish soon.
Oh god!
Dude, that should actually put in some pretty good work. Just from like one spray and one hose down. That shit was filthy before. Bro, that shit took off paint.
I scrubbed it too hard.
So you guys, you know how like cleaning it very well, like, bro, that it took off the paint literally. David scrubbed off the paint.
I was in the zone.
Bro, she been hitting the gym, bro. Yeah, bro, scrubbed the shit out that. This stuff is no joke, guys. I mean, it cleans it, but yeah, way too much.
Fuck. Nah, I know what to see it, right?
I mean, it won't be. I mean, if you really want to, I guess you can find a touch-up can. I mean,
yeah.
That won't be that noticeable, since it is all the way down there. It's not gonna matter if it's the prettiest or not. It'll be better than that for sure. A little touch-up can. But other than that,
oh wait, missed a spot right here.
guys, there's those people that go door to door right now. I don't know if you guys can see them in the corner right now, but we're thinking of a way to troll them. So I don't know what we're gonna say it, but we're gonna troll the fuck out of them. Oh, they're not even stopping by.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
This is so loud.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Hey, it looks good though. It really does. Alright guys, good shit. So that's it for
Thanks, man.
this month's video.
Thanks, Leo.
Engine clean is ready.
Next month?
Close that shit, yeah.
That's the engine clean. Wait, what's 3 months from now? Or
The
no?
next step to this.
Alright, for sure. Alright guys, see you in the next video.
My HIDs!
I thought that was a dog bone.
Hey Dave, so what's going on? What's next?
What?
What are we doing next?
Minor wire tuck. Take these bunk shits off and never run them again. Remember that one time when we were just cruising, your fender flew off?
Guys, when the Civic was red, me and David took off the fenders. I literally forgot for why. I think it was just because we took off the fenders. Now he went to romp the Civic with the rod. No, it didn't have a rod knock. Yeah, it was with the Z6. But anyways, we're cruising. We thought we were youngins, you know. We're 18. Fucking man. Anyways, guys. Yeah, riding the fuck out of it. It was like 7 o'clock, guys. We're cruising around my neighborhood. And then we're just cruising. We hear. And we're like, what the fuck? And then we're like, oh, the fender. And so David hops out. And for some reason, there was some girl walking by at that exact moment. She helps David pick up the fender. She hands the fender to David. And then David runs back with the fender to the car and throws it in the back. And then we go. And then we launched it. And ever since then, my fender is never the same. So, fun fact.
Well, that's the ashy one, huh?
Yeah, that was
ashy.
Yeah. Alright, 25 grand for what?
The black Integra seat.
Are you kidding me?
He pissed me off. I told him, get the fuck off my property. If you're gonna offer me 25 grand for my seat,
Dude, this
it's
is
worth way more.
This is one of one, bro.
One of one.
You know what's
Bugging out.
bro?
Bugging out.
Wait,
That's
when
what I'm
people
saying.
talk spoon,
Spoon,
Mugen.
Mugen. It's just like they don't know what I got.
they don't know, bro. They don't know the one of one
Like I
black
said,
integrity,
like
bro.
I said, I know there's people out there that can't sleep at night because they know I got a black.
Easily,
Integra
bro.
seat.
Sometimes I can't sleep at night, even though you're my homie, bro. I can't sleep at night knowing you have the only black
But
integrity
yeah,
in the
that guy
world, bro.
offered me 25K. I fucking slapped the shit out of him.
Bro, I would have too, bro. I would have
got
hit.
heated.
I would have hit him with the fucking elbow, bro.
I hit him with the 1-2 Mayweather.
Oh yeah, easy, bro. What about the 1-2-3 McGregor?
Oh, I got him with the McGregor.
Oh, bro.
I got him with the McGregor, dude.
Please, bro.
Got him with the McGregor.
Yeah, guys. You guys, if
So
you.
show him a good look of it. Good look, authentic.
Some people tried saying you spray painted a tan seat.
I see those comments and I get pissed off.
It's because they don't know.
They don't know.
They really don't know, bro. They
When you
bugging
know.
out.
Bugging out again.
When you know, you know.
Yeah, if
That's
you know,
when
you
you
know,
know.
guys.
If you know, you know.
That's the only thing we can say. If you know,
If you know.
you know.
Bugging out. Now.
Alright, guys, quick break. So as you guys can see, the G37, I mean the Altima sedan is posted right here, and the Altima Coupe is posted up too. Altima gang. Yeah. Bugging out, B.
What fucking horse was it?
Bro, it was that black one right there, bro. You see that horse?
Oh,
Bro, I caught that motherfucker fucking my wife, bro.
deep in the guts.
Deep. It was like 3:30 in the morning, bro. And I was thirsty, of course, with this
that one
humidity.
right there.
Yeah, that black one, right, bro. With this humidity, of course. So I went to get a drink of water, bro. And my wife wasn't there. And so I was like, I didn't think anything up. And so
Who would?
yeah,
Who would?
exactly. And then,
your wife.
out of nowhere, I hear, and I was like,
Oh, you already.
so I paused to listen, and I hear, and I catch her in the back with the horse, bro.
Deep in your shit. Deep in her shit. You want one?
Bugging out.
Aquí en la casa de mi amigo. Unreal.
Hey, let it play, get some snacks. Shit. You feel me? Shit. Shit, what you got in here?
We got cereal. You know? Whatever you want, man.
Guys, David made a joke that there's gonna be a spider when he took off his fender. And look. My boy knows his car so well. Oh! They ask if you have play in your shifter. Hell no.
Nah, fuck no.
I did. What's going on here?
I'm taking this blank shit off.
Just let it drag.
Just let it dry like that?
Yeah. They'll be throwing sparks and shit.
I look low, right?
Yeah, you will. They won't know.
Alright,
Cause the bumper's gonna be hiding it.
You're right, huh?
Yeah, bro. So guys, taking off all the bunk shit that David doesn't need. So he's taking off that fluid reservoir. We're also gonna be taking off that charcoal canister and just little hoses. Right now Leo's actually doing a mild wire tug, so he's depinning the harness right now. And we're probably gonna have to drill one more hole. No, we don't. But I'm gonna feed the wire through this hole here, and then zip tie it. Oh, we are, huh? Like another one over here. Over there.
Probably come out here, zip tie it there, up here, maybe.
Yeah.
Shoot it out all over here.
Yeah, guys. So same shit we did to my Civic, except he's depinning it. Huh? I got you, Tom. I got you.
Good enough, right?
Or a rat?
Bro, pull him out. Alright, so what's going on, Leo? What happened?
We had to extend this, so we're gonna have to cut it, extend them, so the plug can go connect over here. And it looks like we're gonna have to do that to the headlights, corner, and this just needs to get grounded out, so I don't think we have to move all that over there.
Where do you get wire at?
Nah. Walmart.
Walmart?
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they should. It's Walmart. You know?
You're gonna chunk it out with them?
Oh, shit. Alright guys, back at the crib. So they picked up a few stuff. They picked up some wire. They picked up some loom, some liquid tape, some liquid ass, and some electrical tape. So it should be good now. And Leo got some stuff in the mail. Oh, Lucino. For the people that don't know what Lucino is, what's Lucino, Leo?
That's what my car is named in Japan, Australia, and Mexico.
Yeah, so he Mexico. So you guys saw he got the gold Nissan badge. Well, he also got that Lucino badge, so that's gonna look pretty cool.
No spider.
But the doper thing that he got in the mail is in this package right here. Are you hype, bro? Are you hypey?
Finally. What the fuck? I would assume it come in a box.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Oh, so there's more wrapping?
Damn. Oh fuck, little screws. Aha, new soon.
Yeah, guys, so Leo got some decals.
Yep.
Yeah.
No instructions? How am I supposed to solder this shit in?
So guys, he got the ECU he needs for his car. He just needs to figure out how to solder it in now. But yeah, with this, guys, he could hopefully turn on his car after he figures that shit out.
Well, I think I'm just gonna give it to the tuner and be like, hey, here,
Yeah, I
working your
wouldn't
magic.
even mess with that.
I'll just mess with the sticker.
How much did you pay for that ECU?
The board was like close to 300.
Yeah, don't even give that to a professional. But yeah, guys, that's the biggest.
Oh, thank you.
Well, what the hell, you guys?
Don't ask about it.
So Leo's getting down the wires over here, and David's over here wrestling with these hoses.
Show me.
What's the status, bro?
It's not looking good.
Let me see those gains. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. That's my boy. Hell yeah. So there goes the charcoal canister, guys. That's for like emissions and stuff, so David doesn't need that. We're swapping in a different motor anyway, so it's already not gonna pass emissions as is. So not needed. It's just ugly and in the way. Yeah, that shit kind of smells. Okay, gosh. Oh, okay, gosh. Oh. Alright, guys, so David is taking out the heater. That's the heater valve right there, and also those two hoses. So that's pretty easy to throw back in. I mean, if David ever drives his car in the cold weather and decides he needs heater, it's really simple to throw back in. But for now, it's gonna look a lot cleaner with that removed, and also that little bracket right there. It's also gonna clean it up a lot. Alright guys, so all the wires are extended on this side. Just need to be zip tied, but you can see they all connecting shit. My boy's A1 soldering. I've never gotten a short yet. Pretty much my whole car is like fucking spliced and diced by Leo, so A1 shit. What's wrong?
Spider webs everywhere.
Oh, I wonder why.
Oh.
Just this side is left. But it's looking a lot better, guys. David also took off that rear mount. So I cleaned it up a little bit. It's coming along. Definitely some progress has been made. And that rack and pinion still needs to be changed out because that one's like not even the right one for this car. David took it to some like... Who'd you take the rack and pinion to?
What?
I said, who'd you take the rack and pinion to, bro?
I don't want to talk about
But some Craigslist mechanic.
Uh-huh. I was bugging out.
Some guy,
I was bugging out.
So when David first got the Civic, bro, he took the rack and pinion to some ghetto
My
mechanic.
dad told me he knew this guy. I was like, all right.
And it's not even the right rack and pinion. It still makes a clunky noise. So we have... Where's the new rack and pinion?
In my room.
Yeah, so David has a brand new rack and pinion. So we're going to probably be throwing that in the next video. Or in the very soon future. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I actually got to leave right now. And David has to leave like in an hour or so. So we'll see if they finish the wire tuck. If not, I'll show you guys in the next video. But it's going to look a lot cleaner. As you can see, the wires is already non-existent. It's just this big ass thing for the HIDs now. But yeah, wires is getting cleaned up, so that is that. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoy seeing videos on the Civic, give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down if you guys want to see more videos on the Civic, because we do have a lot more coming. And also, guys, don't you dare forget, Leo got his ECU in. He just needs to take it to his tuner, and the Nissan should be turning on pretty soon too, because you're already throwing your intercooler piping, right?
I'm waiting for two
oh yeah,
couplers.
couplers, yeah. So Leo's also waiting for couplers, so the intercooler piping is gonna go on. The ECU's here, so also, guys, the Nissan's gonna be running very, very soon too. So yeah, guys, stick around. We got some more content coming for you guys. I'm gonna try to pump out a lot more videos. Let's get it. Right, David?
Yeah.
You're